I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have edit permissions on the Sharepoint site and library. Without that, you cannot create or update lists. Next, open the Excel workbook in the desktop app and convert your data range to a proper table. This ensures headers and types persist. Once the table exists, go to the Data tab or Table Design and choose Export Right Arrow Export Table to Sharepoint List, then enter the site URL. This starts the list creation and maps columns automatically. Once the export wizard runs, you must inspect and adjust column type mappings. Sharepoint guesses types, but you should confirm date versus text and set choice or lookup where needed. If you anticipate lookups or unique constraints, create those target lists or columns in Sharepoint first, then rerun the export so mapping matches. Make sure to enable versioning if you need history. This avoids data truncation and keeps formulas from being carried over as values. After creation, open the new Sharepoint list and scan several records to validate formats and content. You can quickly edit inline using Quick Edit to fix minor mismatches, and then optionally reconnect via Power Automate or Power Query for ongoing syncs. If import fails, check that you have proper permissions, ensure column type compatibility, and remove special characters or very long strings that break import. Finally, if syncing, test an incremental update to confirm changes propagate as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.